Question number 1. Explain the principle of Mendelian genetics and Mendelian law. In Mendelian law, each allele for trait segregates or separates independently from each other during the formation of gametes. And there are three principles of Mendelian genetics: the dominance, segregation, and independent assortment. Dominance is when individuals receive two versions of each gene, known as allele. From each parent of alleles of genes are different, our allele will be expressed. Question number 2. Explain the principle of Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. It's stating that the genetic variation in a population will remain constant from one generation to the next in the absence of disturbing factors. Question number 3. Explain the systematic patterns of mating such as full sieve mating and half sieve mating. Give example of fish inbreeding and applications of inbreeding. Full sieve mating is a full sieve progenies or having a same male and female parents from paired plant crosses within a population are evaluated, and the half sieve mating is the mating between individuals that have no parent in common. Unfortunately, there have been very few inbreeding studies with fish. Examples of fish in inbreeding is the live bearer. Question number 4. Advantage of breeding, and cite some examples of crossbreeding other than tilapia. Crossbreeding is used to produce superior fish for grow out or production fish. Fish that can crossbreed is agapes and conic cichlids. Question number 5. Explain the different kinds of artificial selection method. First, mass selection. In mass selection, family relationships are ignored and comparisons are made among individuals. Family selection. It refers to mating of organisms from the same ancestral stock that are not directly related to each other. Multi-trait selection. A selection program which usually focuses on several traits of economic importance. Number 6. Consequence and importance of mutation in fishes. Harmful mutation can cause a genetic disorders. Mutation is important as the first step of evolution because it creates a new DNA sequence of a particular gene, creating a new allele. Next question. Explain the principle of genetic drift and its implication. Genetic drift is a mechanism of evolution in which allele frequencies of population change over generations due to chance. Genetic drift can lead to random changes in allele frequencies. Ways to reduce inbreeding depression. First, a regular breeding program of second cousin matings is an effective way to prevent inbreeding depression. Last question. Mean is the average of the numbers. Its formula is that add all the numbers and divide by how many numbers they are. And the variance is a measures variability from the average of mean. It is calculated by taking the differences between each number in the dataset and the mean, then squaring the difference to make them positive, and dividing the sum of the squares by the number of values in a data set. And that's all. Thank you.